It's nice to see you at the 12th year celebration of Goodwe, and we'd like to know the reason why you partnered with Goodwe, meaning how do you differentiate Goodwe from other partners in the same industry?
Yeah, I'm actually using for Minota before 5 6 years ago, and it's the good inverter. It is especially very easy to installation and they are monitoring part and other thing. It's the very easily used from the monitoring part and other thing, especially warranty claiming from rental guys always support to the some issues and other thing how to the solve and they always call him from ask from me and what's the issues and how to working from our product and what's the what's have some issues and always they are replace new inverter. Yeah, I'm very happy to using from good inverter.